Sizzling from the pot, like thoughts I can't quite catch. Chopping onions, tears fall, but not the kind that match. Wooden spoon against the rim, rhythm of my restless mind. Measuring cups scattered round, pieces what I'm trying to find. Stirring slow, stirring slow, stirring slow, letting all the flavors grow. Stirring slow, stirring slow. Yeah. Simmer down, simmer down. Olive oil hits the pan, sizzle drowns out yesterday. Garlic fragrance fills the air, washing all my stress away. Time a ticking in the back, but I ain't rushing through this shit. Every slice deliberate now, finding zen in every bit. Stirring slow, stirring slow, stirring slow, letting all the flavors grow. Stirring slow, stirring slow. Yeah. Simmer down, simmer down.
Fuego bajo corazón, cada grano de la sal. Tiempo pasa sin prisión, cocinar es ritual. Manos sucias, alma limpia, ingredientes de mi hogar. Esta cocina es mi iglesia, donde vengo a descansar. Started with nothing but some basic ingredients in a dream. Now I'm orchestrating flavors like I'm running a whole team. Every meal's a meditation, every dish becomes a prayer. Salt and pepper conversations with the ghosts that linger there. Measuring out my emotions with these teaspoons and these cups. Learning patience from the process when life gets me fucked up. Kitchen counter confessional where I spill my deepest thoughts. He transforms more than just food, healing wounds that can't be bought. Knife skills sharper than my focus, cutting through the mental haze. Recipe cards like diary entries from my complicated days. Boiling water, boiling over, but I've learned to turn it down. Finding peace and preparation in this space. I finally found that cooking ain't just about the food. It's therapy in disguise. Breaking bread with broken pieces, watching something new arise.
Stirring slow, stirring slow, stirring slow, letting all the flavors grow. Stirring slow, stirring slow. Yeah. Simmer down, simmer down, simmer down, simmer down. Steam rise from the pot, like that day when you taught me to stir, make it right. Your hands guide through the night. In this kitchen I remember every lesson that you gave. All the flavors still linger in the love that we made. Every chop and every simmer brings me back to yesterday. Smell of garlic fill the air, your voice echo everywhere. Add some salt, you would say, taste it first in your way. Wooden spoon in my grip, same recipe, same old tip. But you gone, I'm alone, cooking love in our home. In this kitchen I remember every lesson that you gave. All the flavors still linger in the love that we made. Every chop and every simmer brings me back to yesterday. do. Every meal, missing you. Turn the heat nice and low, like you said long ago. Food ain't rush, take your time. That's the way to make it shine. Now I know what you meant. Every dish love you sent. In this kitchen I remember every lesson that you gave. All the flavors still linger in the love that we made. Every chop and every simmer brings me back to yesterday. Steam still rise from the pot, but now I know what I got. Steam rise from the pot, like that day when you taught me to stir, make it right. Your hands got